Introducing the Jamaica Health Box, your all-natural emergency health essential bundle. A carefully curated collection of Jamaica's most potent herbal remedies, designed to provide immediate support for life's unexpected health challenges. Nature's first aid kit, delivered. Harness the power of Jamaican herbs. Scientifically backed, these remedies offer potent benefits. First, immune support, vital for defense. Second, inflammation reduction, easing discomfort. And third, stress relief, promoting calm. Nature's pharmacy, unlocked. What's inside? Guinea hen weed, a potent anti-inflammatory. Ginger, for digestive support and nausea relief. Cerasee, traditionally used for detox. And moringa, a nutritional powerhouse. Each ingredient, a targeted solution. Why choose natural? Avoid harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients. Embrace time-tested herbal wisdom. Support sustainable practices. The Jamaica Health Box offers a gentle, effective, and responsible path to wellness. A return to your roots. Ready to experience the healing power of Jamaica? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to natural wellness starts now. The Jamaica Health Box, nature's first aid kit.